Are you ready? Desk. Desk. The student is sitting at the desk. Chair. Chair. She pulled out a chair and sat down. Blackboard. Blackboard. The teacher wrote the lesson on the blackboard. Book. Book. He opened his book and started reading. Pen. Pen. Can I borrow your pen to write this note? Notebook. Notebook. She took notes in her notebook during the lecture. Eraser. Eraser. He used the eraser to correct his mistake. Ruler. Ruler. He is measuring the length with a ruler. Pencil. Pencil. Sharpen your pencil before the test. Calculator. Calculator. You can use a calculator to solve the math problems. Desk. Chair. Blackboard. Book. Pen. Notebook. Eraser. Ruler. Pencil. Calculator.